Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel and we talk all planty things. So today I'm back with another video wherein I've ordered some items from Amazon and we are going to unbox them. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the first item that I'll be unboxing is soil. So we do have this outer packaging and inside of it there are bags. Here we go. The first packet is of vermicompost and this is the second time that I've ordered vermicompost from them because I've really had some good experience with it. So this is the first packet and the second thing that we have is this red soil. So let's move on to the next product. This is a tripod. I think it is more commonly called a Gorilla tripod. It has a mobile holder and it also comes with a small cute remote control. I'm very happy about it. Let's unpack the next item. This is neem oil which I've ordered for my plants and I already had a bottle of this one and this is the second purchase as well. Whenever I see any pest attack on my plants, I just dilute 2-3 drops of this neem oil along with 1 or 2 drops of Dettol hand wash in 1 liter of water and that's it. We're good to go. And you just want to spray it at maybe evening time or early morning time. Do not use this in the afternoon when the sun is really harsh. Moving on to the next purchase. These are a set of gardening tools. So let's open it. So I think this was the best seller on Amazon website. It has a set of tools and gloves as well. We have these nice cute gloves. Look at these gloves. I think they are good quality as well. And then we have this tool. I do have this tool, but this one is more elongated. Then this one is much more broader. I do have this one as well. This is the third tool that we have. The fourth one. And the fifth one. Oh wow, nice. So this is the cutter. I think it's really good quality. It comes with a hanger and it also comes with this spring. You just have to push this up so that it unlocks. And then you can secure it back and keep. I like these tools a lot and I think they're going to be really useful. If you want to check out these products, I'm going to link them down below in description box so that you can just go and check out if maybe they can be helpful to you as well. Moving on, let's unpack the next item. I've lost count also. I don't remember which item number is this. Oh wow. So here we go. So this is the first time I've ordered perlite. This is used in making potting soil so that what happens is that over a period of time the normal garden soil that we use just packs up together and becomes like a one solid rock and then it does not allow the water to drain out. So what perlite does is it helps to make the soil more airy and allows passage of water. I'm happy with this buy. Let's unbox the last package and the biggest package. Oh yes, now I remember. Oh my god. This is heavy you guys, really heavy. It's like a 5 kg block of coco peat. If you're a gardener, you must have come across this term like a zillion times now, coco peat. So this is basically coconut covering which is grinded and then solidified. Now how do we use it? We have to soak it into water and then it is ready to use. So why do we use coco peat? Also to make the soil mixture more airy, and it is really good to retain moisture. So if you have plants which do not like to dry out too much, or else you don't want to keep watering your plants every day, you can use coco peat, which helps to retain moisture for a much more longer time. So that's the reason why I got coco peat. And this one is from Craft Seeds, right? I think I got a good deal. So as mentioned, I will also put a link down in description below, so that you can check it out. If you're interested, you can check this out. So these were my buys for today, and I hope you enjoyed this Amazon haul. If you're a gardener, I'm sure you definitely liked it. Thank you for stopping by. Until next